my name's Rhiannon. I'm a mobile hair and makeup artist here in Sydney, Australia. I've been running my own business, Rhiannon Page Artistry, for about 7 years now, and I've just started to develop my very own vegan lip range. Woo! So I thought I'd show you today how I make my own marble gift packaging. I looked online everywhere for boxes that look like this, but I either couldn't find the right dimensions or they all wanted wholesale orders. So in case you're looking for a quick and easy handmade gift packaging option, I thought I'd show you today how to make your own. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to make the box, and then I'll show you how to make the card, because you do need about 6 extra things just for this one little detail. And the box looks perfectly fine without it. To start off today, you're going to need 2 pieces of white cardboard, at least 210 GSM. Next, you'll need marble vinyl or book contact. I bought this one from Kmart. It's about $3 for every 2 meters, and this roll will do me for about 3 boxes. An ink toner pen, which you can buy from the same place you get your foil from. Now, of course, if you're doing it with the pen, it's not going to be as neat as if you're doing it with the printer. So the final result will end up looking a little bit like this, which is a bit more rustic and might be exactly what you're going for. So don't go all the way out to invest in a LaserJet printer, because this pen is only $14. Very doable. The last thing you're going to need for this rose gold effect is a laminator. Now, I picked this one up from Kmart for about $30. This one does A3, so it will do a huge piece if I need it to. They do sell an A4 one for about $20, I believe. So if you only need to do small cards, then you don't have to spend the extra money. I'm going to pop that away, and we'll pop away also our rose gold foil details. We'll save those for the very end. Now, I'm just going to do a classic box structure with the 4 edges all just folded up. I did try this origami method with a giant square with all of the corners folded in. However, I found that even though the outside edges were very strong and sturdy, the inside was pretty flimsy and will probably damage anything that I wanted to put in the box. Okay, then we're going to draw in our lid, and we're drawing 3 centimeters around the entire edge.
I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration's on the health. Must be the gypsy.
Now we're ready to cut our edges. On the short sides, I like to cut the tabs off. I like to leave them on the long sides. Do the same on our lid. And now we're going to fold in our edges. And using this beveled edge here, we're going to fold the long side up from the bottom, close to the table as we can get. The short side, we're going to fold the far tab first, then the center, then the closest tab. Long side again, up from the bottom, and short side for your tabs. I'm going to do the same to the base and just speed it up.
Just let go.
Once you have all your sides, you're going to start sticking them down with your masking tape. Again, this is pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to speed it up.
My ego to the fire. If there's a chance to be your heart's desire, and that's all I want to do. When it's time to pick up the pieces.
So now that you've got them both stuck down, you want to grab your marble vinyl and cut a square that is double the size of the card that you cut. I'll put the measurements up on the screen.
You know, you don't need permission, and you owe it to your heart. Let's fall together.
After we've done our lines on the side, we want to start cutting in the center of those lines.
And that's all I want to do. Just let go.
Because that's going to give us these little tabs on these long edges here. And we've got 5 centimeters on the side, so we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's where our tab is on there. Okay, so now we're going to make our cuts. Again, I'm going to speed it up just so you can see what I'm doing.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
I'm just going to go ahead and quickly cut the vinyl for our lid as well.
Oxygen. Trees give before they are fallen. Life comes back again. Until then, travel light through this dark night. There's only night.
Okay, so we'll start by sticking our lid on first. You want to start by peeling off your contact on the long edge. Gently pull that back so that you also grab these little sticky tabs, these corners over here. Pull them back and cut the triangles in half. Stick down the outside tabs and continue to pull the paper back, revealing the sticky contact. Cutting these tabs will prevent this paper from getting stuck underneath the base of your box. Next, go ahead and stick your box on like so, pressing down. Bring your contact up and hold it with your fingers while you gently push it inside.
Until then,
Then bring your box back down and press the base onto the contact. If there are any edges that are too long, just give them a little bit of a trim. edges. And check if any sides need to be trimmed. Repeat the same steps. Fold in your tabs and make sure everything's stuck down.
Officer down, shot by a child, a boy of 15 who doesn't really know a thing. See the wilderness at the back of his eye. He fell under the weight of harder guys. He'll be tried as a man, too young for the chair. Officer down, and both of their lives stop right there. Everyone's out for officer teams passing by. A brave man ripped.
So there's your base and your lid for your gift box. You'll find they fit on more snugly than they did before, and you'll probably end up putting some tissue paper in here like I have. For the black card, I've already printed out my design on a LaserJet printer, and it's ready to be put through the laminator with the rose gold foil. If you just have your ink toner pen, you can still get a really good result. It'll just end up looking a little bit more like this. It's a little bit more rugged, and it might be exactly what you're going for. So, putting that down, I'm going to move my things to the side, grab my laminator, and turn it on. Once that's ready, the orange light will light up, and while we're waiting for that to heat up, we're going to get our foil ready. So with our black card, we're going to place it into our folded A3 paper, on top of which we're going to place our rose gold foil. Make sure it's completely covering the design, and that everything's nice and smooth. You don't want any wrinkles going into the machine. And ready for the big reveal. You can already see it's stuck down to the LaserJet ink. And if we peel it off, we get that beautiful rose gold effect. Now I've printed multiple on this card, so I get about 6 per A5 sheet. Depending on what design you have, you'll be able to get more or less.
He'll be tried as a man. He's too young for the chair.
And there you have your beautifully wrapped gift box with your personalised foiled gift card. I hope you enjoyed today's demo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below what video you want me to DIY next.